If you want to add music in CapCut without copyright problems, this video is going to make it super easy. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to import safe audio, place it into your timeline, trim it to match your video, and then run CapCut's built-in copyright check before you export. This is especially important if you plan to upload your video to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, because not every track that sounds good is actually safe to use everywhere. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure you're in the correct project before you add any music, because it's always easier to organize everything early. Now, instead of grabbing random trending audio from the internet, you want to use a safe track from an external royalty-free library. A great place to find music like that is the YouTube Audio Library, or another royalty-free source that allows reuse. Download the track you want and save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Once your safe audio file is downloaded, go to the top left area of CapCut and click the Media tab. From there, choose Import. This will open a file window on your computer. Find the audio file you downloaded, select it, and press Open. CapCut will bring the file into your media panel so you can use it in your project. Now, drag and drop that audio file from the media panel down onto the timeline underneath your video. This is where the music will sit behind your footage. Make sure it's placed on the audio track, not on top of your video clip, so everything stays clean and organized. If the music is too loud later, you can always adjust the volume, but for now, the most important thing is getting it into the timeline properly. Next, you may need to make the music fit the exact length of your video. To do that, click on the audio track so it's highlighted. Move the playhead to the point where you want the music to end, then use Ctrl+ to split the audio. After that, click on the extra section you don't need and delete it. This is a really useful step because it keeps your music from running too long and it helps your final edit feel more polished and professional. Now here's the part that can save you from major copyright trouble. Go to the Audio tab in the top left panel. Inside that area, look for the Copyright sub-tab on the left sidebar. This is CapCut's built-in tool for checking audio against its scanning database. Click the check button to start the scan. CapCut will analyze the track and look for any possible copyright issues. When the result appears, read it carefully. If CapCut shows a warning, that means the track may not be safe for the platform you're planning to upload to, so the best move is to replace it with another royalty-free file. If it passes the check, then your project is in much better shape and ready for export. Keep in mind that trending TikTok sounds may work inside TikTok, but if you're uploading to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, CapCut's commercial licensing often does not cover those platforms. That's why using a truly safe track is the smart choice. And that's it. You now know how to add music in CapCut without copyright issues by importing a safe file, placing it on your timeline, trimming it to size, and checking it with CapCut's copyright tool before exporting. This is one of the best habits you can build as a creator because it protects your content and saves you from headaches later. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.